Do you love strawberry jam? Say goodbye to expensive jam sold at stores. Cooking jams made easy. Step-by-step pictures. Advantages to homemade jams. 1. Cheaper. 2. You get to make use of your favorite fruit. 3. Favorite sugar, brown or white. 4. Save the fruit from rotting. Before we begin, please smash that like and subscribe button. Burner, pan or stock pot, crusher, 1 quarter sugar, 1 batch of fruit, and bottle container or glass jar. Step 1. Wash the strawberries. Step 2. Place the strawberries inside the pan or stock pot. Crush the strawberries. Step 3. Add a cup of sugar, brown or white. Mix well. Step 4. Turn on the burner. Place the pot on the burner to cook it. Step 5. Keep stirring until it settles. Step 6. Let it cool before moving it into the clean glass jar. Now, enjoy. What fruit do you want to jam? Please comment down below.